Hey there, I'm Axel from Axel Camp, and this is the Omnibus, and today we're going to look at the office configuration. So a few things about the outside. We have your 30 amp circuit here. We have your gravity filled water. We elected not to use propane. You can use solar. We can put up to 500 watts of solar up top there. You can run a little Honda generator, and you can also just plug in. This is your city water. Here is your cassette toilet. So when you need to empty it, just pull this out, grab it like this, and now you're ready to dump it in a toilet or a dump station. You don't have to move the whole rig to do that. Now let's look inside. Or rather, let's look at the back. This is where all the action is. You have a bathroom vent, a cabin vent, reverse lights, porch light, all of the braking lights like that. You have a fingerprint sensitive keypad. And inside here, you've got a big dinette. So the end of the working day comes, or you're getting your morning coffee, you can sit here, relax, set up a TV there to watch a movie, and this breaks down into a bed. But when you want to work, just got a comfortable bench here, and we can position the windows in different places. So we're trying a lot of configurations. In this case, I probably have a window be right there. You have your kitchen. We can put a fridge under there. You have a lot of storage there. This is your sink. It's got a 20-gallon freshwater tank and your electric stove. This also has air conditioning, and we can put in heated floors. Now let's look at the bathroom. I'm 5'10". I have plenty of space. I have my shower here. And here is the inside of a cassette toilet. Push this button to fill it with water. Hit the dump tank like that, and you flushed. Some other useful things are we have more lights here. We have your fan there. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. Look us up at axelcamp.com. You can learn about the different configuration, about the pricing. And if you're interested, you can get on our list for production for the spring of 2025. This is a great camper. It's meant to be simple. It's meant to be everything you need, but easily towed by any SUV. If you're in the Maine area, in mid-coastal Maine, get in touch with me. I'd love to show you one of these campers. We also have the Citizen, which is more affordable, more efficient. So thanks again, and like and subscribe.